Okay, let me go. Let me go on Interglobal world. Global. Hey, that is a rocket ship. Wait, is he coming? Okay. I hope he's not here. Don't see him. Because I would run away. I hope he... I better go fast. Oh no! He's gonna be here. Oh no! No! He's not gonna get me. He's not gonna get me. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. Wait, where's him? Oh no! Hey! Run away from him! Hey! Come on! Stop! It's getting dark. It's the rocket ship. That's the Interglobal world. Hey! Wait, where is it? Ah! Ow! Never mind, I died.